Hello, my love shout out. Little Boss 31 official. Hello, my love shout out. Thank you sa batansa. Learn to reach out, open your heart, lift up your hands together, and I'll make you shoot away. Little Boss, hello, my God, shout out. Should one above me, no summer heaven and lady. Come to me, all you are time, carried heaven alone. Lord, I never leave you. It's easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Happy Sunday, everyone. When you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to. Just face the rising sun, and you'll see home. There's nothing to run. Lift up your hands together, and it'll make you feel alright. Set the sun burning upon me, no summer heaven and lady. Come to me, all of you are tired of carrying heaven alone. Lord, I will leave you. It's easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Is it 'cause you burden upon me, no summer heaven and lady? Come to me, all you are tired of carrying heaven alone. Lord, I will give you. It's easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Hello sis, Filipina G and Italy, Coco Loves Amber, Pin is Arapin, Leonidal Channel, thank you, BG, versus working mugba. Ay, sige sis, thank you so much sa pabidyo dyan. And, sa lahat ng angels ni Sis Helen Valencia Vlog, thank you so much sa guys sa patamsak ha. Thank you naman dyan. At sa pagsugot. Thank you. Mayroon si Kukulab Summer sa mga gustong last 3 chatters, get entries, 9:30 p.m. Pinas time. Mga didikit, iwalan po ng baka. Salamat. Ayan. Thank you, guys. May nakawag, Thank you so much sa mga nandyan at sa mga nagtamsak. Si Helen Valencia Vlog, thank you sa sa patamsak dyan.
En Back Market encontrarás tecnología renovada por los mejores expertos hasta...
Kanta lang tayo, wala pa naman tao. Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin ka, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit ka nagkaganyan. Lumulutan, nasasayang buhay mo. At binubulong na iyong puso. Tutulong ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ay the great Emer Whitey. Pag sumusuko, kanting hirap at kunting pagsubok lamang. G-Boy, hello! Nasaan ang tao? Naduduwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa. At iniisip na natutulog ka. Thank you sa parid sis, sis Helen. At Yami Channel, Malu, Elvin, Janes, Janelina, Rihina, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ng iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog ba ang Diyos? Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Sis Ateya May, Yuhan Hans, thank you. Lina, Janice, Luneda, Luz Mimida, thank you so much, guys. Na ikaw ay maghintay at himukin pa, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Sis Ateya, thank you. Kung ano ang nararapat, magsikap ka at magtiwala sa may kapal. Naganda ang Diyos sa'yo. Si Helen, thank you. Hintay ka lang, kaibigan. Thank you, sis Ateya. Angel Helen, thank you, guys. Kapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ng iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa kanya. King of Russia, mega love shoutout. Thank you so much guys. Angel and Helen, thank you so much. Love. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you talaga. Sis Helen Valencia, Sis Atea May. Thank you guys. Wala akong masabi. I love you guys. Ayan. Thank you so much sa pasugod ninyo. Ayan. Janice, thank you, Janice. Ayan, Eva Yusores, Malu, thank you guys. Ayan, para sa inyo. Andronico, thank you. Ayan, hindi ko maisa-isa pag hindi ko nabasa ha guys ha. Pasensya na. Namdamin ang kasawian, may bukas pa sa iyong buhay, sisikatin ang araw, ang landas mo ay mag-iilaw sa daigdig, ang buhay ay ganyan. Loading! Ang iyong araw, ang landas mo. Mamaya padidikitan kita ko din para makapunta sa live mo Sabado. Ilaw, yung mga angels ni si Celen Valencia. Sa daigdig, ang buhay ay ganyan. Mayroon. Mamaya ko, ninyong gaya at hubay, maghintay at may nakalaan bukas. Bisa ko din. May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Ay, mali! Wala na ako. Mami, ante ko dit ha. Gawan ko ng yan. Yung thumbnail na lang pagawa ko. Ako na mag-set ng Nawala na ako. Ulitin ko na lang. Nawala ako. Damdamin ang kasawian, may bukas pa ay iyong buhay, sisikatin ang iyong araw. Sige, tugang. Ang landas mo ay mag-iilaw sa daigdig, ang ko din. Maghintay at may nakaraang buhay. King of Russia, thank you. King of Russia. May bukas pa. Mag-test ka na, positive ka na rin yan. Yung buhay. Okay lang yan. Pin dansos. Thank you, Papa. Mali na ako. Mali na basa ko. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, inalangin mo sa may kapal. Nasa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Sa daigdig, ang buhay ay ganyan. Mayroong ligaya at tambay. Maghintay at may nakalaang bukas. Maxi, hello. May galaw siya ba? May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Tutulungan ka ng Diyos na may lalang. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, Janice, hello! Idalangin mo sa may kapal. Sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Lucili Valencia, thank you Papa sa Kasosyo TV. May galaw siya daw. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, idalangin mo sa may kapal. Nasa puso mo ay mawala. Maxi, thank you Maxi. Ayan. Alishana, hello. May kalam shout out. Timos Mac, shout out. Thank you Papa. Wala ba naman ano guys dyan? Kanta lang ako ha. Alishana, kumusta? Tugang. Good morning, good afternoon sa inyo. Na panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba? Tayong dalawa ay una magkita, muno ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman. Noon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tumula. Tatandaan mo pa ba? Thank you, Alishana. Kwit kong puso sa punong mangga. Margel, may galap siya. Alay ko gumamela, magkahawat kamay sa dalampasigan, layang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak babalik ba ang kahapon? What's up, man? May kalab shoutout! Mary Ann Mirakit, may kalab shoutout. J. Vlog pa, may kalab shoutout. Thank you, guwapa. Ngayon ikaw ay nagbalik, tulad ko rin ang iyong pananampi. Makita ang dating kanluran, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan hahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating unita. Puno, halaman, bakit kailangan natin lumisan? Na panahon ang pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Puyat ata, Alicia. Ayan, type kayo guys ng kasa guys para mababa ni Night at baba kayo ng bahay. Type kasa lang sa mga gustong magbaba. Kuya gata mga timosma. Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating lunita. Ang mga puno, halaman, bakit kailangan natin lumisan? Na panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Ciao, Landio, may galang syara. O, nandyan na si Ciao. Thank you, Timos Mac. And sa Team Mrs. Helen Valente sa pasusukin niya. Thank you so much, guys.
Pepsi Max 5.
Hi, hello, Papa J Vlogs. May galang shoutout. Thank you so much, guys. Pwede kayo magbaba ng bahay or type kasa. Tamsakdan, host Tugang Manay. Thank you, Tugang. Salamat sa sa patusok dyan. Ciao! Uy, bakit? Tawan-tawa na naman si Ayan. Kanta lang ako muna. Pwede kayong magbaba ng bahay, guys, ha? Or type kasa. Papa J, thank you so much, Tugang, ha? Ayan. Margel Vlog, Pilipina, Jay and Italy. Thank you, sis, ha? Aliciana. Ciao, Landio. Tuwing tayo'y magkakaroon, di matahimik ang puso ko. Nawala. Bawat sandaling hanap kita, di mapakali hanggang muling kapiling ka. Birit Timbalo! Dahil kung ika'y makita na, labis-labis ang tuwa na darama. Magis ng laman ang kislap ng iyong mata, kahit ano pa ay kakayanin ko na. Birit Baldo, may jacket ka na. Sa't kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay matiyaan sa'yo. Baka gusto mo makyat. Sa't kasama kita. Thank you. kita. Maganda tong song na to ni Dindong. Nawala yung mahina net ko. Alisyana. Giliw, sana ay ikaw na nga. Yes, I like it. At siyang mananatili kasama ko. Dahil kung ika'y mawawala, pati lahat sa buhay ko'y maglalaho. Basta't kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, ang kailangan pa, wala nang hanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita. Nahiya ako dito sa guest natin na singer. Basta't kasama kita, lahat magagawa, lahat ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita, walang kailangan pa, wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita. Basta't kasama kita. Violin King Valor, yahoo! From Australia. Walang kailangan pa, wala nang hahanapin pa. Basta't kasama kita. Sorry naman, nawala na ako. Nahiya na ako. Oy! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Johan Hans, Chichay, Sis Rose, Tugang Rosemary Official. Thank you, guys. Gardening Houseplant. Thank you so much sa mga palakpak kahit hindi naman talaga singer si host. Thank you so much. Love you, guys.
Wow.
Ayan, mega love. Shout out and welcome natin ang ating guest singer from Australia, Birit
Hello,
King
Bicolana.
Baldo.
App que te encontrarás tecnología renovada por...
Bicolana, Española. Hola, hola, chica.
Kita, ¿cómo estamos? Ayan.
Muy guapa. Yes.
Ay, muchas
Thank you. Yes.
Gracias.
Pupumilit no? Baldo, Birit King, Tinola, paborito. Yes. Muy bien.
Ayan. Muy bien, muy bien. Oy, thank you so much guys. Si Helen Valencia, thank you so much sa mga angels mo. Thank you so much sa paano dyan, ha. Ayan, Chichay Nak, may galang shout out. Ayan ang ating, may guest singer na ako. Oy, ang aga. Oy, thank you so much.
I'm just returning your love kasi I always see you in my stream every Friday.
Oy,
And I'd like to return the love. Nahihiya naman ako na hindi ako bumisita rin sa bahay mong maganda. Yeah.
Oy.
All
Oy,
the way
thank you so
to
much.
Spain. Yeah.
Ay,
Under,
thank you.
here in the land down under with love. Yes.
Oy,
Australia. Thank you, thank you. So,
Thank you talaga. O sige, ibigay
Hindi ko
na
na
natin para
patatagalin
mas...
ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo,
Oo.
Bicolana.
Ayan,
This is yours.
Guys, wait lang,
Sige ho, sige.
Tugang is kapatid sa amin. Tawagan kitang Tugang para hindi tayo,
Okay,
nasabi ako
Tugang.
Tugang. Tugang is kapatid sa amin, Bicol kasi.
Sala, yan,
oo.
sala.
Ang mga angels ni Helen, please subscribe Auntie Codette para mayroon kayo sa Saturday puntahan ninyo si Auntie Codette and aking co-host din para mayroon tayong pa-Gcast on Saturday after ng live ko kay Auntie Codette Yuki Vlog birthday live stream on Saturday. Guys, may 10K doon na ipamimigay, ha? Gusto ko ibigay sa gusto namin ibigay sa inyo. Basta usapan na namin yan yan. Ayan, 10K yun guys. Birthday celebration ni Auntie Codette on Saturday. Sa gustong dikitan si Auntie Codette, dikitan nyo para mapuntahan ninyo on Saturday after ng live ko, okay?
Yes,
Sa
great.
mga angels ni Sis Helen Valencia Vlog. Thank you and aking co-host na si Birit Baldo. Oh, yan, ay King pala.
Yeah.
Yan,
It's
sige,
okay, it's
nawala
okay.
na ako.
It's okay. So this is your song, Bicolana? Yes, tugang. Sabi mo nga, ako naman bagang. Yan. Kabagang.
Ay,
Sa mga
ang iba
Manila,
tigang
mga
sabi.
Manila, kabagang naman, kabagang.
Ang kabagamba.
Yes.
Kala ko ang iba kasi pag sinabing narinig nila tugang, akala ko tigang. May ibig sabihin pala yung tigang.
Wala naman ako inisip na ganun kasi mukhang di ka naman,
Yung iba,
mukhang di ka naman tigang.
hindi.
Mukhang
Tugang ako, tugang,
sagana
hindi
ka sa
tigang.
pagmamahal. Yeah, and this is for everyone here, all Bicolana friends and lovers, and yes, thank you, Bicolana. This is your song.
Thank you.
Oh, thinking about the younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down the road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life you'll find someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. Oh, there's lots that I could say, just hold me now, 'cause your love will light away. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Yeah, love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. I've been waiting for so long, something different, for love to come along. Now our dreams are coming true, then a good times in the bed. Yeah, I'll be standing there by you. Oh, baby, you're all that I want. When you're laying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. You're all that I want, you're all that I need. Bicolana. Thank you for that. And to all who enjoyed this music from Brian Adams. Hello to everybody. Thank you po dun sa nagpalipad kay Atia May
Ateya May Channel. Thank you, sis. Thank you sa sa super chat. Oh my God. Ayan, thank you. Guys, sa gustong dikitan si Birit King Baldo, guys, binaba ni Nightbot ang kanyang bahay sa andyan sa chat. Ayan, baka gusto niyang dikitan, love-labin.
Yes.
Love-love naman sa mga hindi pa
Most
na-love.
welcome. Most welcome.
Ayan, thank you. Birit King Baldo. One more siguro.
Yes, of course.
Ayan,
for
sige,
you.
thank you naman dyan.
Anything for Bicolana kasi naman. Bicolana, I really appreciate your time. I know how busy you are, especially on a Friday, and you do come around in my place.
Umaga dito, nasa work.
Oh,
Nasa
I
work.
know. I really appreciate it so much. When I see you there, sabi ko, wow, I'm touched. And that's why I have to return the love. And I saw your live. And actually, I'm not supposed to stream anymore, but I saw you live and it's Sunday. I said, might as well give a little bit of love back to Bicolana, Española. And this is your song again, Bicolana. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We stayed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. Here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near. How much I wanted you. But now that you've come back to night into me, I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Thank you, Bicolana, Española. Thank you for having me here. It's a special Sunday. I'm excited to see you. And of course, you're looking great, having really fun with your stream. And to all your friends who gave a lot of support, thank you. Thank you for those kind words. Salamat.
Thank you. Oy, galing daw. Oy, galing. Wow, sabi niya. Guys, Virit King Baldoy, siya nang nanalo doon sa Itbulaga. Pwede mong i-ano yun, tugang. Kasi hindi ko masyadong alam yung kung ano. Basta nanalo, naririnig ko lang. Sa Itbulaga,
Yes.
talagang hindi ko. Tugang Bicolana, salamat. Oy, Ivan
Thank
Magumad.
you.
Thank you, Lods. Ayan. Siya yung
Yes,
isa sa mga nanalo sa Itbulaga, guys. Basta
Itbulaga, it was
nanalo.
Birit King, the Birit King
Oh, kaya
contest yan sa Itbulaga. And that's why I hold the title. And
Virit
yeah,
King.
medyo lucky pa rin ako kasi after that winning segment ng Itbulaga, they weren't able to follow it up. So hanggang ngayon, ako pa rin ang Birit King. And now I'm part of the Itbulaga history. The 42 years longest running TV show on earth. No? So I'm just proud to be one of those Itbulaga winners nila. And that is Birit King. You can type it actually if you want to see those episodes of my winning moments. Nasa YouTube siya. You can just type it Birit King Itbulaga and it will come out. Makikita nyo na po lahat yung there, at
Matagal
least
na
I
rin
think there.
hindi ako
Yan,
Pilipino sa kahit
matagal na yung show ng Itbulaga. But yeah, buhay pa dun si Kiko Magalona, si Francis Magalona.
si Francis Magalona.
Buhay pa siya noon, buhay pa siya ng mga panahon. And God bless his soul. And those were the years na I've enjoyed Itbulaga's kindness. And yeah, I won that prestigious daytime show competition, the Birit King. Kaya nga po, Birit King yan. So, hindi ko na binitawan.
Matagal na pala talaga yun.
Yeah, it's already a long time ago yan. But again, it's nice thank you for bringing it up and sharing it to your listeners and your followers. Yeah.
Guys, pa-support guys ha sa aking guest singer na si Birit King Baldo, guys. Baby pa yung bahay niya. Baby pa ba? Kasi nung 400 na ba?
It's
400.
I think at this time I think it's only 450. So I have this challenge road to 1K. No? So probably road to 550 na lang to, and then that's it. I'm good already to get that first 1K. So if ever you guys have more potassium or banana, you can share. I'd be happy for those.
Please guys, connect naman
lang.
guys, Spirit. Nasa
It's
night
okay.
ko siya.
Yes, and Bicolana talaga, thank you again. I really love your time with me, and especially on your busiest day, Friday pa man din. And you
Ay,
come
okay
around
lang
there.
po yun. Okay lang po yun.
Wow.
Kasi
Thank you.
talagang support din talaga. Kung pwede lang nga, 24 hours, 7 tayo
And
mag-support.
that's
Pero
why
hindi pwede
I'm
kasi
coming over din. Sabi ko, I just like to come back and come and sing to your stream na rin kasi
Kahapon nandito si Efren. Nandito si Tugang
nga,
Efren.
and I was busy yesterday at I have a lot of things to do rin, and I've been working 7 days a week na rin kami. Kasi
Pag
since
may time
here
lang po.
in Australia,
Kasi every Saturday and Sunday lang ang aking live stream. 7 na. Tig-change ko na 6 PM Pinas time dati, 7 na ngayon. Kasi
no
magsasummer na
worries.
dito.
Then, Sunday is a good day for me as well. And if Saturday I can catch you, because I only stream on Friday, and I'm streaming with Ford's Mama, which you also know. You know her, right? And Efren on Sunday. So I just came back. I just I got off already with Efren, and I saw you. That's why I had to drop a bit of time with you here in your stream. But I already had time with Efren, and he's also been with some friends, Teacher Mali and Javorski. I think you're also familiar with these people. Yeah. And to the rest of your beautiful
Katim,
friends.
na yan?
Katugang.
Dungaw din, si Javorski.
Oh yeah, sila Mali. Ayan. Mga
Ann Hartman
Dungaw.
TV, it's from Australia also, Ann Hartman TV. Ay,
Ann
Ann
Hartman,
Hartman, please, pa-support kay Birit King Baldo. Baka, may
Magandang
concert
gabi.
sila. Sa Sydney, no? Uy,
Yes.
promoter, concert.
Where are you at Hartman? We are here in Sydney. I'm located in Mount Druitt, and our show is going to happen on April 23. Yan, in Pabico 55. Yan, dinner and show na po yan. So there's plenty of guests and friends, but me and Efren will be the highlights of the show with some guests. Bernadette Harrison Franco. Yeah, she'll be part of the shows as well. So marami
South
kayong
Australia daw si Ann Hartman TV.
South. Yun. I hope you were that affected much of that flooding that we had. 3 weeks or 4 weeks of rain. Alam niyo ba yan, Tugang? Nagkaroon kami ng 4 weeks of rain here in Australia. The longest ever. So, yun nga, we are also planning to help our fellow Filipinos na naapektuhan din ng floodings here in Australia. And there's a lot, marami. And unfortunately, these are the new climate change na naging effect, na nagta-take effect. We were supposed to have summer, pero rainy season kami ngayon. Can you imagine? Di ba? Sa Pilipinas naman, super init naman sa kanila. Super. So, where are you actually, Bicolana? Are you really in Spain or you're somewhere
Madrid,
in Bicol?
Madrid, Spain. Nasa Madrid.
Oo.
Winter
Viva!
pa, malamig pa. Malamig pa
Viva
dito sa
Madrid!
atin.
Ganda yan. Gusto ko dyan.
Pero papunta ng spring, pero umuulan siya eh. Maulan.
Ganda dyan sa Madrid. Andyan yata yung center of yung bullfight. Yung mga... Andyan ba yun?
dito sa
Andyan
amin.
yun.
Lapit
Gusto
dito
ko
yung-
pinanonood yun. Tsaka dyan di ba yung
stadium.
sineselebrate nila yung pinatatakbo nila lahat yung mga baka sa kalye.
Na may
Tapos
namamatay din. May namamatay. Ayoko ng ganun.
Grabe yung festivity na yun, ano? Yeah, I've seen it din. I've seen it.
Every year may namamatay. Kasi, ewan
pero
ko ba
ganun
kung
ang
bakit
culture nila eh.
sineselebrate ng mga ganun.
Sineselebrate nila yun, di ba? So, but that's an exciting time na marami naman din tayong, I think, we share with Spain ng mga konting sa festivities, di ba? Marami tayo eh. Marami tayong mga sineselebrate. Like yung mga Holy Week, yung mga special Holy Week celebration ng Spain, inaano din natin. Di ba yung mga Catholic festivities, we practice them in the Philippines kasi nga we're under Spain by 400 years of culture. Diba? So I think marami din tayong influence na nakuha sa mga Espanyol. Pero hindi ko nakuha yung kutis ng Espanyol. Iba nakuha ko eh. Hindi ko nakuha. Yan. Of course, again, shout out to everybody. Hello, Teacher Mali, you're there? Did I lose you? Hello? Yeah. Loading na naman. Oh, okay. So anyway, guys, on behalf of the beautiful Tugang Bicolana Española, I'm so thankful, guys, for your warm welcome. Yeah, I'm inviting you guys again. Please support one another every time Bicolana Española, Sunday streaming. And of course, my time also on Friday. I stream on Friday, 8 p.m. Australia time. I don't know what time you have there in Española, but yes, she also comes around in my show every Friday. So to all of you guys, yes, God bless everybody. Happy Sunday, happy streaming. Yeah. Is she back now or...
Yeah. Kasi naglo-loading ako, nandito si Loading. Andito sa Espanya si Loading kasi maraming gumagamit ng internet namin.
Kaibigan mo na rin pala si Loading.
Kapatugang. Kaya full pack na co-host. Thank you, Ann Hartman. Thank you, guys. Pa-support naman, guys. Pa-love kay Birit King Baldo, guys. Binababa ni Nightbot. And bigyan pa tayo ng another song siguro. Ayan.
Yes, all right. No worries.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite songs from Michael Bolton, and I hope you like this for everyone. You can sing along if you like. And alam niyo naman ang mga kanta ni Michael Bolton is about loving and giving all the best to your loved one. Here we go for you, Bicolana Española.
Thank you, Tugang.
There's a certain kind of love that never showed on me. What left to be to live in a year, to live in a year. There's a way say, you do what you never little thing. But what does it bring if I ain't got you? Ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. In my mind, I see your face again. Know my frame of mind. You ain't got to be so blind. I'm blind, so very blind. I'm a man. Can't you see what I am? I live and breathe for you. But what good does it do if I ain't gotta go? I gotta go, baby. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, love somebody the way I love you. Oh, yeah. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, love somebody, love somebody. You don't know, love somebody the way I love you. You don't know, you don't know, love somebody, love somebody. You don't know. To love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Bicolana. Thank you, everyone, for your
power.
Thank you
Ay,
for your
grabe.
kind
More
words.
daw sabi ni ano.
I
Sino ba
love you,
yun? Si
girls. I love you.
Alisana?
Yes,
Alishana.
yan.
More? More. Ayan, Kasunog TV, mega love shoutout, guys. Ayan, guys, so ipalablab naman sa mga hindi pa nalablab si Tugang. Birit King Baldo, guys. Ayan, and puntahan ninyo every Friday ang kanyang live stream. Bibi pa yung bahay niya. And ano, guys, dikitan nyo
Thank you.
na. Love-lovin nyo
Yes.
na. More,
And
sabi ni Ann Hartman. Si
I
Ann
hope
Hartman.
to catch you, Anne Hartman, on one of these days in our
Ay,
city,
kilala mo,
whatever.
Tugang si Inday Jackie in Australia, no? Kilala mo? Tugang
Jackie.
namin, Inday
Hindi.
Jackie in Australia. Magaling na
Jackie,
singer
yes,
yun.
yeah. Oh, yes, I think I met her. Si
Oo,
Jackie, Inday Jackie. Yes,
oo.
she sings great songs as well. And
Mm.
pero nasa ano siya, I think she's in the Central Coast. She's living in
Oo,
the Central Coast. So she's a bit far
Gold
from
Coast
my
siya.
place. Nasa Sydney ako, which north part ako ng Sydney. So Blacktown. So siya na medyo mga 3 hours drive from my place. Yan. So malayo-layo din talaga kami.
Yes,
Ano?
pagpunta kayo
Mm,
dito sa amin, we will support you, sabi ni Ann Hartman
mm.
TV.
Si
Ayan. Hold the
Joven
word, sabi
Adventure,
ni
shout out. Yan.
Hello, Jovin's Adventure Vlog. Thank you guys sa mga
Yan.
bagong Kasunog TV. Sisi, Alicia Ali, The Beautiful Soul, Madam Press, mega love shoutout guys. At sa mga hindi pa Ivan, mega love shoutout, Kapansit Hunter. Thank you, Tugang.
All right.
Ayan, sa mga
Sige, I'll do my final song. And I think there's somebody requesting a song from si Joven Adventure. Nagre-request siya ng Heal the World, which is a very
Heal the
nice
World.
song. Timely for what is happening in around us. Ano. But I hope that this is only a song. And kung may inspire kayo to help and reach out whatever that is happening in your town or in your city. It's not just about the two countries that they're battling out whatever differences they're having, but it's also between sometimes healing the world is also part of your family. Yeah, so reach out to your family, to your friends, and of course everybody needs to be healed, and this is a good one for everyone. Joven Adventure Vlog, thank you for requesting this song, and I hope that you will all be reminded that we all need to heal and help one another. Here's a beautiful song from the late Michael Jackson, and this
Amen.
goes out to you. All right,
Pag
everybody.
gusto
Hope.
niyong mag-show po,
Yes.
dito may contact akong organizer dito sa amin ni Ann Hartman TV kung gusto
Oh,
niyong mag-show.
we let's talk about that, Ann Hartman. I'm all for it. So it's a good opportunity, Ann Hartman. Yeah, we'll have that in mind. I'll have that in mind. Here we go for everybody.
Thank you, Tugang.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place will be much brighter than tomorrow. If you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you'll feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There's no wasting if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, if you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. Fear the dead, we stop existing and start living. Feel that always love's enough for the growing. Make a better world, make a better world, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, if you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we will conceive will reveal a joyful place. And the world we won't still live will shine again in praise. Then why do we keep struggling like what is a crucifying soul? Though it's plain to see the world's heavenly. Make us glow, we can fly so high. Let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are my brothers. Create the world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the nations turn the words into plowshares. We could really get there if you care enough for the living. Make a better space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, if you care enough for the living, make a better place for you Sunday. God bless everybody. Bicolana, Española. This is Spirit King Baldo saying, I love you guys. Thank you. God bless everybody.
Thank you,
God bless. Thank you.
Tugang Birit King Baldo. Guys, sa mga hindi pa na-love-love, uy, love-lovein nyo na. Para naman mabisita kayo at makantahan
Eugene
kayo. Oh, di ba?
Paranyal in the house.
Ayan.
Hello, Eugene.
Vincent Tives Vlog, mega love shoutout. And vlogs pala, sorry. Ayan. Team.
Shout out to Eugene Paranyal. Huh?
Baldon!
Dito ka pala.
Alright.
Finally, mega love
Shout
shoutout.
out.
I leave you guys with the handsome Eugene Paranyal and Bicolana Española. Thank you so much
Thank you,
again.
Tugang. Birit King Baldo.
Tugang.
Ayan.
Yes.
Thank you so much sa
Alis ka na,
Good
dito ka
evening.
lang.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Eugene. I have to go. Thank you.
Ayan.
Bakit?
Thank you so much. Guys, mga hindi pa, love-lovein nyo na, ha? Love-lovein nyo na, guys. Birit King Baldo. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tugang Birit King Baldo. Ayan. Kasi
Yeah.
nandyan ka na, kaya alis na siya. Tugang.
Ay nako, baba na nga ako.
Hindi, kasi kanina pa siya nagkanta. Ayan. Salamat, Sir Baldo, sabi ni Jowin Adventure. Guys, sa mga
Ay.
hindi pa na, love-lovein nyo na. Guys na, thank you. Tick Shader, they are the manipulator para pahirap mga mahirap na tao. Wala ako. Nawala talaga ako, ano. Ayan. Sa mga bagong pasok, guys, ha, baba ako. And may nakaping din na aking super chatter na very generous na sis Ateyami channel, guys. Love-lovein nyo naman.
And shout out to Bait Adventure Vlog. Alright.
Thank you so much. Thank you naman. Love you, guys. And sa
Gainalin and Chichay, shout out dyan. Tick Shadow, mega love shout out.
Parang na-miss kita, Tugang.
Ano ka ba? Lagi naman ako nasa live mo.
Hindi ko pa
Kailan ako umakyat nung nakaraan?
Hindi. Auntie Codet! Oy guys, Auntie Codet, on Saturday, 10K ang ipamimigay ni Auntie Codet. Love-lovein nyo na.
What?
Walang owing luhaan. Kaya love-lovein nyo si Auntie Codet. Pero wala siyang pa-enter.
Auntie Codet. I love you, Auntie Codet.
Ayan,
With all my heart.
10K guys, birthday celebration ni Auntie Codet on Saturday after ng live ko.
Ay, happy birthday, Auntie Codet.
Auntie Codet, rate ko 900. Ayan.
Kantahan na kita, Auntie Codet, ha? Andiyan ka ba, Auntie Codet?
Nandyan siya, Tugang. Kasi
Ay, naku, kakantahan na kita. Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, Binsel TV Vlogs and Vlogs, shout out.
Tugang silidon niya, oh. Ayan.
Ah,
Vincent TV Vlogs, thank you so much, Tugang. Ha?
Ay, Unheartman TV, ang kulit mo.
Hindi kanta ka ng Tugang.
Ay,
At
ba't
miss
ko
yung
naman
boss.
nakasolo na kagad? Ang labo na ng mata ko yun.
Hindi naman.
Hmm.
Wala ka atang tulog.
Hindi, meron.
Ano
Kay
wala?
Nalin, ayan kay Nalin ha. Birthday ni Auntie ko dito, huwag kang mawawala. Walang uwahang
Timos Mag, love you guys.
Walang uuwing luhaan. Ayan, talong.
Kayo mawawala.
Shout out.
Sa
Oo,
mga friend
kainan na.
natin dyan, gusto mo bukas 10K ang ipamimigay ni Auntie Codet. Walang 50, walang 25 guys. Ayaw pa niya nga
Wala.
ng 100. Mataas daw, 200 pataas. Uy, sana all.
What?
Ayan, sige.
Ayan, shout out sa lahat. And thank you so much sa inyong mga support dyan kay host Bicolana Española. This song is brought to you by 96.3 WRAGON. Happy birthday, Auntie Codet. And sino yung mga birthday dyan? Happy birthday, ha? Sana ang awiting ito ay pakinggan. Puso nagmula sa'yo'y inilaan upang bigyan daan ang iyong kaarawan na sa araw na ito ipinagdiriwang. Happy birthday, Auntie Codet, and more birthdays to come. and stay healthy always. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka araw na ito. Happy birthday to today. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Naman na lahat ng kagandahan, talino't katalinuhan at kabaitan. Alright, kaming mga kating bukas sa kalooban, di ka malilimot magpakailan pa man. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Happy birthday, Auntie Kudet. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday, Auntie Kudet. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Thank you. Back to your host, Manay Bicolana Española.
Namiyot ako. Ayan. Happy birthday, Auntie Cadet. Ay, bakit? Wala pa rin bang uuwing luwang kahit sa luha? Wala nang paglagay.
Wala.
Ay, nako. Ayan. Oy, maglablawang kayo dyan, guys, sa mga hindi pa lablabin nyo si Heartman TV, 126 ang kanyang bahay. And patamsak sa bahay ni Chichay, mayroon siyang upcoming premiere. And always happy tugang. Babad lagi dito sa YT. Hehehe. Lina Ariola, thank you. Lina Ariola.
Ayan, Lina Ariola, Migalab, shout out.
Love pa more. Love pa more. Ayan. Sige, Tugang, ikaw muna. Maglagay lang ako ng sa Nightbot para mag-type na lang sila dyan ng pangalan nila. Okay? One more song.
Mo si Auntie Kudet?
Hindi pa. Road to 900. Sa mga hindi pa kadikit ni Auntie Kudet, love-loving mo Auntie Kudet.
Ay, naubos ko na yung Hindi, meron pala ako dito. Dikit ko kay Auntie Kudet.
Sige. Isip ko, bakit ganyan yung nasusuka siya?
Sino?
Ayan, ayaw ko ng love. Gusto ko. Sige, wag kang mag-behave dyan. Nandyan si Tek. Mag-arutan kayo dyan. Sir Brock Tisoy. Ay, Joven. Thank you, Joven. Mega love shoutout, sis Christina, 1122 Valencia. Mega love sa Helen B. Thank you, sis Helen. Sa mga nagtamsak sa premiere. Yeah, ayan.
868. Auntie Kudet. Natikit ko na sa
Ay, si Auntie Kudet nasa work na. Nasa work kasi may COVID yung
Ay, hindi na uso yung COVID na yun.
Oo.
Ipapaniwala ko sa COVID na yun.
Mga Auntie Kudet.
Heartman TV, di ba?
Ayaw ko na kahit ayaw mo na kahit kanino gusto mo? Mamili ka na diyan.
Ayan. Ayan, si ano, Ma'am Ann, abitin na kita, sabi ni Jubin Adventure Vlog. Sana all.
Ayan, Jovel. Wait nga, lagay kita sa si Joven. Para nagta-type kasi siya si Joven kanino ng pangalan niya. Wait lang, hindi ko lahat na ilalagay. Ang tamad ko. Ay, ito na.
Ito na. Kanta pa ako ng ano.
Auntie Codet, para road to 900. Siguro pag sa Sabado, 1,000 yan si Auntie Codet. 1,000 na.
Sige, ipangisda ko si Auntie Kudet, ha?
Ano mo?
Papangisda ko.
Sige. Ayan. Sa akin na lang si Ma'am Ann. Ha, ha, ha. O, sige. Ay, si Joven. Ano ka ba? Double single? Ay, magsabi kayong totoo.
Ako, ha? Single.
Ayan. Crispin Villanueva, may nagbikin naman. Ay, Crispin! Bikitan mo si bikitan mo si yan. Pag may pag-Gcash yan si Auntie Codet sa Sabado. Wala daw uwing luhayan. Pati ako.
Anong oras pa si Auntie Kudet?
Ano lang tugang? Siguro mga 9:30. Diyan sa Pinas.
9:30 ng gabi?
Oo. Okay ba yun? Hindi ba kayo
Pagkatapos
tulog? Oo, saglit na ako.
Sige.
Ay, mag-host doon. Para masaya si Auntie Codet. Bigyan ka na ng found sa ni Auntie Codet. Ako, gwapa. Kadro ka. Ay. Ako, sige. Kapang. Ayan, Boss Amil, sabi ni Chichay. Ay, nako. Harutan lang to guys, ha. Walang personalan.
Oo. Good vibes lang.
Ay, congrats pala doon sa sapatos mo from Switzerland.
Ang ganda, grabe.
Colorful.
Hinihintay ko yung jacket mo, ha.
Hindi pa mapuno ang box tugang. Antayin mo.
Punuin mo na. Para sa birthday ko, may unboxing ako from Bicolana, Española. I-ready mo na yung greetings mo.
Kailan ba yan?
Sa May.
Ay, sa May. Hindi
Para sa inyo lahat, Auntie Codet, happy birthday. Sa lahat ng nandiyan sa babagay sa shout out.
Harutin mo, Joven.
Girl, tell me only this, that I have your heart for always, and you want me by your side, whispering the words I always love you, and forever I will be your lover, and I know if you really care, I will always be there. Now I need to tell you this, there's no other love like your love, and as long as I live, I give you all the joy my heart and soul can give. Let me hold you, I need to have you near me, and I feel with you in my arms. This love will last forever, because I'm truly in love with you, babe. I need you, and with your love I free, and truly you know you're right with me. Thank you.
Dahil kinanta mo tugang yung ano, trolley, kakantahin ko yung The Only One.
Okay.
Ano naman? Alfred Banga, uy, Alfred Banga, back up. May galaw shoutout. Mylene
Ay
Angelo,
sana all may backup.
may mga sekretary, may back up. Ako lang ang wala eh.
Gawa ka na rin.
Iba talaga ay. Iba talaga yung mga bigatin. Ay, Dan TV Vlog, may galaw shoutout tugang, may galaw shoutout. Thank you sa
Ay
patamsak.
nako. Dan TV Vlog Manoy, shout out sa iyo dyan.
Manoy, nag-loading man ikaw, Manoy, kagabi. Nag-isda man ako sa imo. Mayo na nagdidigding ano sa harong ko. Mayo na nagdidigding tawo. Kaya nangisda ako. Ay, nako. Ayan, para sa inyo. Mga tugang, Manoy, Manay, Yahoo. Ayan. Ay, tugang Alfred Banga, back up. Thank you. Manoy, co-host, Dan TV Vlog. Si tugang Dan TV Vlog, maganda boses nito. Gwapo
Oo,
pa.
bakit ka Manoy? Oo, sabi niya nga. Sabi niya, nagkikwento nga siya dun sa LS niya. Ay,
Ano
alam
sabi?
niyo guys, nung kabataan ko. Ay, kasi di na tinuloy eh.
Mga kabataan niya, marami siyang tips. Oo,
Malamang.
parang siyang ano eh. Kasi yung ano, kabataan niya. Di makita mo naman pag ano. Ay, akyatin na ako, tugang. Nawara ako sa iri, tugang host. Yung nga ni, nag-loading ka. Labas-pasok ako kasi naging isda ako. Hindi nila alam. Bahala sila, balikan nila ako. Mylene, thank you, Mylene. Ay, Joven, mayroon ka ng ano ha, Joven dyan sa ano, sa Nightbot. Ayan, para sa inyo guys. Paborito daw ito ni Tugang Connie. O may the only one na siya. Let me tell you now, all that's on my mind. For the love like yours is so very hard to find. I've been looking inside myself, now I'm very sure there can only be in you for me. I need you more and more. You turn me inside out and show me what life was about. Only you, the only one who stole my heart away. And I wanna do what I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one who stole my heart away. When you're in my arms, when I close to you, there's a magic in your touch, the shining comes shining through. Want you every day, want you every night. There can only be and you for me. You make it seem so right. Oh God, 'cause you turn me inside out and show me what life was about. Only you, the only one who stole my heart away. Magdikitan kayo guys yan sa mga hindi magkadikit. Baba kayo ng bahay. Evan, mayroon kang ano. Pwede naman go to channel guys. Tugang Alfred, thank you. In my mind,
There's no other love. You're the only girl in my heart, and soul is thinking of only you, only me. There can never be a love that does understand the way that I feel inside you. You turn inside out and you show me life was about only you. The only one who stole my heart away. Yeah, you turn me inside out and you show me life was about only you. The only one who stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. Only you, the only one who stole my heart away. Yeah, you stole my heart away.
Chop it! Good evening. Okay na yan. Para katugang Connie. The only one. Ayan. Oy, tugang Eugene, ikaw na. O, ako pa. O, sige, ako pa. To song. Baka na nagpaimuha ka
Esos
tadhana.
textos de Backmarket no son nuevos, ¿no?
Ang Bisaya pala si ano. Ayan, guys. Pwede kayo go to channel para mas puzzle. Tugang Dan! Baka gusto mong umakyat, kantahan mo kami. Kantahin na ako, oy. Nagkanta ka kasuhapon sa live mo. Nagkakanta ka. Wala man hagdan. Di pa ba gawa yung hagdan mo?
You are the candle, love the flame, a fire that burns through wind and rain. Shine a light on this heart of mine to the end of time. You came to me like a dawn to the night, the shining like the sun. Out of my dreams and into my life, you are the one, you are the one. Say I love you and I like.
Sige lang. Alarman.
'Cause this is more than love I feel inside. Say that I love you and I was wrong. 'Cause love could never even feel so strong. Say that I love you, but I lie. With all my soul, I'm trying to make. How can in words my heart explain? Is this love so deep, so true? I found in you so many reasons and so many ways. My love was just begun. Need you forever, and I need you to stay. You are the one, you are the one. Say that I love you, but I'll lie. 'Cause this is more than love Say I love you, but I lie. Loading? Loading? Loading si Jopin. O ako. Tiriang. Tiriang vlog? Ano yun? Parang, next ko na itong sino. Sino si Tiriang? Came to me like a dawn through the night, the shining light, the sun. Out of my dream and into my life, you are the one, you are the one. Say I love you, but I lie. This is more than love I feel inside. Say I love you when I was wrong. 'Cause love could never even feel so strong. Say I love you, 'cause this is more than love I feel inside. Say I love you, but I love. Hi host, 1 year naman na hindi no. You'll be here. Ay, ganun ba? Shout out sa iyo, Tira. Tiri ang vlog. Ayan. Ciao, mega love shout out. Thank you. Tingnan na natin yung channel ni
En el
Tira
Corte
ang.
Inglés escogemos los mejores productos.
Baka hindi pa ako dikit sa'yo, Tira ang. Parang tirang ata to. Parang nagets ko na yung pangalan. Tirang. Baka tirang yan, hindi ba? Tirang vlog. Hindi kaya? Thank you, Tugang Dan, Chichay, Ciao, Joven. Ayan sa mga nag-stay dyan. Sis Christina nandyan pa? Wala na. Kanina pa pala yun. Ganun siya, may galaw siya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday na naman. Sige, Tugang, tiyan ko nga to. Team Osmak sa Kalam. Ayan. Thank you, Team Osmak. Salamat sa Uy,
Team Osmak. Shout out, Team Osmak. Para sa inyong lahat, guys. It's 3 in the morning. Live my way inside. And all that I wanted to be with you tonight. The love in your eyes is fading so fast. No matter how hard we try, some good things never last. But what good is holding on when you know that all you can think about is letting go? Just say if you love someone, then set them free. If they come back again, then in the end, it was meant to be. I I thought we were lovers. I thought we were friends. I guess when reality sits here, it all depends. We live for the future. We learn from the past. No matter how hard we try, some good things never last. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo lahat yan guys on Heartman. Dan TV Vlog Manoy. Nightbot. And all you can think about is letting go. Be true to yourself, my love. That's all I ever wanted you to be. Just don't forget to smile when you think of me. I'll wait for the star. I've got them inside. There's someone who really needs me out there in the night. We live for the future. We learn from the past. No matter how hard we try, some good things never last. Thank you so much, Gaina Lynn Saraga. And sa lahat ng nasa baba, sa mga nakatiki, thank you. Ayan, Some Good Things Never Last by Barry Manalo. Thank you, Gaina, thank you.
Let's wander Cebu.
Ayan. Chai. Nag-love shout out. And Orange. And isa pa.
Okay, ito pa. Bawi sa palakpak, umalo ako saglit. Ayan. Uy.
Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Salamat sa inyong mga support dyan. Thank you.
Gay na
Sir
lang
Dan.
kay Auntie Odette sa Saturday.
Ulitin natin.
Palakpak si Terry.
Terry, ang vlog Mega Love shout out. Thank you so much, guys. Salamat sa inyong mga support dyan. Thank you, ha. Support.
Oo.
Para kay Gigay na to, ha.
Tayo na lang, gay na rin.
Midnight, not a sound from the pavement, as the moon lost her memory, she's smiling alone. In the lamplight, the window leaves collect at my feet, and the wind begins to move. Shout out, Ben Balasa! Memory all alone in the moonlight. I smile at the old days. It was beautiful then. I remember the time I know what happiness was. Let the memory live daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of a new life, and I must give in. When the dawn comes tonight, will be a memory too, and a new day will begin. Madam France, words out and of small day, the still good smell of morning. 3 long times, another night is over. Another day is dawning. Touch me, it's so easy to leave me all alone with the memory. My day in the sun. If you touch me, you understand what happiness is. Look, a new day has begun. Memory all alone in the moonlight. I can smile at old days was beautiful then. I remember the time I know what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Thank you. What the host, live na Española. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you. Tayo lang naman dyan. Ilan lang naman dyan. Nakabidyo.
Ayun, shout out sa mga naka-BG. Thank you so much. Madam Press, thank you.
Mega love shoutout.
Ayan, DJ Harry. Ayan, shout out sa iyo dyan, idol.
Wala na gamay OFW.
Ay, naku, wala na gamay. Lason mong halik. Halika na, akit ka na rito. Kantahin mo yung lason mong halik.
Mga Tessa. Thank you.
Ang galing ni Buhola. Napanood mo ba naman yung sa Facebook niya?
Oo.
Yung lason mong halik.
Oo. Na ano
Ay, nako.
Galing.
Akit ka na, Buhola na. Dali na.
Hindi siya na-follow ata. Ayan. Thank you, Tugang. Haha, wala akong dalang B8. Ba?
Ay, nako. Dali-dalihin mo. Ako, laging nasa bulsa ko yung yung mauno ko, eh.
Ay, ako lang.
Sabi ko sa iyo, di ba kaka-shoutout ko lang kay Bian Balasa? Andito naman na, sabi ko sa iyo, eh.
Kaya sabi ko, wala naman Sabi ko, bakit? Shoutout siya, wala naman nag-type. Galing sa ibang karagatan, Tugang. Okay lang, walang problema.
Ay, nako. Ma'am Shia, akit ka na dito, Ma'am Shia. Samahan mo na ako pag di mo kasi namahan dito. Goodbye.
Mega lang sa Tugang. Goodbye, Palasa, ano ba? Ang tagal-tagal naman hinihintay mo. Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Yan.
Bien.
Bien, para naman ibanan mo naman ako, Digdiyo. Oy,
Ay,
ibabarayaan
type G,
ako.
type G guys, type G. Type G.
Oo, mag-type G talaga. Sige na, mag-type G. Ayan, Jenny Lynn Kate Club na galaw siya. Ay, nasa harang ka. Tugang Bien Palasa, nasaan ka ba? Ano ba yan? Ay, nasaan ka? Magbigyan ako para
Bola na gamay. Akit na kayo dito mga tugang. Bentihan yung StreamYard Bicolana Española.
Ma'am Chin, nakakahilo. Sino sabay-sabay?
Basta goodbye na.
Goodbye.
Wala na akong ibang
I love
masabi.
you.
Goodbye.
Hindi kanta ako ng I love you, but ano ba yun?
I love you, goodbye.
I love you, goodbye. I love you, goodbye. Ikantahin ko to. Ay, baka may, I love you, goodbye na para sa, punta kayo sa mga katsupa. Ay, katsupa. Goodbye, agad nagtampo. Ayan, sabi ni, nagtampo na si Eugene. Shout out all sabi ni Kuya IG. Ayan, Lods Bien. Saan na ba si Tugang Bien? Inaantay ko kaya to. Di ko pa marinig talaga yung boses niya na may B9. Ayan.
Meron na yan, Malay.
Mayroon na? Bakit hindi na agad? Ayan, shout out. Tugang Bien. Ito na lang, I love you. Goodbye. Ayan, Tina and Popsy. Tugang, may galaw siya. Try natin to sa mga nagmahal na ginudbay na. Pero, pasensya. Try. Wish that could be the one who could give you love. The kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you. But baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give the heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, but baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I will be your man, but that would be a lie. I know I only hurt you. I know I only make you cry. Ayun lang. Not the one you're needing. I love you, goodbye. Paborito ko ni Chichay. Chay, gusto mo to? I hope someday you can find some way to understand. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest thing to do. You need someone who will be the one that I could never be, and give you something better than the love you find with me. Oh, I could say that I will be a man, but that would be a lie. I know I only hurt you. I know I only make you cry. I'm not the one you're needing. I love you, goodbye. Leaving someone when you love someone, it's the hardest thing to do. When you love someone as much as I love you, oh, I don't wanna leave you. Maybe it's tear me up inside, but I'm neither one needing. Paborito to ni Chichay eh. Matagal kong hindi nakanta to. Dito lang tugang basic kasi sa matanda siya. Okay lang to. Tugang. I love you. Goodbye. Matagal kong hindi nakanta to. Chay. Inaano. Ay, Diyos ko. Sorry naman. Maganda kaya to. Pero goodbye, bakit nag-I love you tapos goodbye? Sakit naman. Sakit sa puso. Thank you to Gamamshi. Tessa, yan. Iyak na ako. Ang sakit eh. Ito para sa'yo. Ano reminds me of you? Gabong pinto. Good vibes lang na, Chichay. Mahal ka pa rin. I see you beside me. It's only a dream. Vision of what used to be. The laughter, the sorrow, pictures of time, waiting to memories. How could I ever let you go? Is it to let you know? I tried to run from your side. Each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out of the lights, even the nights, it only reminds me of you. Hindi na, oy, bakit? Needed my freedom. That's what I thought. I was a fool to believe my heart lied. When you cried rivers of tears, but I was too blind to see everything we'd been through before. Now it means so much more. I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. I turn off the light, even the night, it only reminds me of you. Only you. Si Selen! May galap shoutout sa Selen Valencia. Thank you guys. Come back to me, down on my knees. Why can't you see? How could I ever let you go? This is too late to let you know. I tried to run from your side. Each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out of the light, even the night, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out of your side, each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out of the light, even the night, it only reminds me of you. You. It only reminds me of you. Si Selen, may galap shoutout. Thank you, J.R. Ramos Vlog, may galap shoutout. Tugang Chanel Vlog, J Vlog, Ann Hartman TV, thank you. Hakot ako mga...
Dale.
Dali. Asan na si Tugang ano? Naghingi ng hagdan. Tugang Mamshi, nandyan na yung hagdan. Ay, nababa ko ba? Hindi. Sorry naman, nababa ko. Parang hindi. Ito na Tugang. Nanginig ako.
Ako na ba?
Ikaw na.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad to get the chance to say that I didn't believe I love it. And if I should ever go away, and then close your eyes and cry, feel the way we did today. And then if you can remember, bien balasa, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Open me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you. And then for the times when we're apart, well, then close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. And good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. And for sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. And for sure, that's what friends are for good times in bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Alright. Thank you so much, guys, sa inyong mga malakpak dyan. Ayan, G-Vlog Fan, mega love, shout out, G. And thank you so much for coming, G. Ayan, YBG Group, shout out, Ma'am Shi. Back to you, host, and thank you so much for having me here in your live stream. Thank you.
Good evening, Tugang. Good evening, Sir Eugene, and good evening po sa lahat.
Yes, good evening, Ma'am Shia. Where have you been, Ma'am Shia?
Galing po sa ibang karagatan, sir.
Ay, sana all may karagatan. I've been missing you.
Tugang. Magandang gabi po, Tugang. Matutulog na sana eh.
Ay, mamaya ka na matulog.
Good evening po. Parang nawala si Tugang, oy.
Ay, Bicolana, Española.
Tugang, magandang hapon dyan. Nag-love show.
Oh, sige. Sige, ikaw na muna. Ako yung host ngayon. Ikaw naman.
At tala po kay Sir Eugene, ako po di nilamang.
Ay, nako, kanta na kayo. Kanta mo si Bien Balasa.
Okay, this girl is born into a woman. Sir Bian, mag-love shoutout Sir Bian, Miss Tri, Miss Bohola Nagamay, Miss Gainalin and the rest. Mag-love shoutout Miss Anne Hartman, Miss Janice.
Ayan, Miss Janice de Belen, nag-love shout out.
And of course, sa mga taga-tuntugang Tugang.
Shout out.
Shoutout din po. Mag-love
Saan ka
shoutout.
ba galing?
Kinuha ko yung heater, nilamig ako.
Ay, naku,
Ako kanina, iniinitan ako. Tapos, ngayon nilalamig na ako kasi nakaupo na matagal. Kaya magdalawang oras na nakaupo.
Dito, Tugang, medyo okay na yung panahon. Kaya, diba, nakakamiss yung, yung mainit na panahon.
Oo. Kaya excited na, mag-summer. Ay,
Sana
mas gusto
all.
ko ng spring.
Ay,
Ayoko
spaghetti.
Spaghetti, baba. Ito naka pa, oh.
Baba na nga ako, Tugang, nilolokon mo ako ni Sir Eugene. Hindi ako akit, goodbye.
Hindi ako din mag-spaghetti kasi ang laki ng braso ko. Bago lang. Hoy, harang. Tugang, Rodilin.
Ay, nako, Rodelyn. Kumusta yung live mo kanina, Rodelyn?
Uy, dikitan nyo, guys, sa Sabado, huwag kayong mawawala sa live ni Auntie Kudet, ha? Kasi birthday live stream ni Auntie Kudet. 10K ang ipamimigay niya. So,
Oh, guys, huwag kayong mag-alala, guys. Hindi kayo magagastusan doon kasi wala pa siyang dollar sign. Punta kayo, guys. Kayo yung mananalo. Hindi kayo uuwing luhaan. Punta kayo, wala pa siyang dollar sign.
Wala pa.
Live shoutout. Kakanta na ako, Tugang, para makababa na ako, Tugang, ha?
Oh, sige.
Huwag ka mo nang bumaba, kakakit mo lang, bababa ka na kaagad.
Iya ako eh.
Sige, Tugang, Any Queen Vlogs. Ayan, patamsak naman, guys. Patamsak.
Ayan ang request ni Sir Bian. Okay, Sir Bian, mag-alap siya. Oy, Diyos ko, Tugang. Maluoy, Tugang.
Ay, maluoy. Sige, maluoy. Si Eugene na lang ang natin focus para
I-focus mo naman ay.
Kagwapo man, ay.
Garuman bagang pares na pares pa si Marites.
Ano yun, Sir Eugene? Hindi ko Sir Eugene ko ng music, ha?
Ay, wala.
Wala pa, Tugang, wala. Nagpalakpak na si Tugang. Uy, Bian.
Si Bian, mapalak.
Meron na ba?
Meron na, Tugang.
Yahoo! May love shoutout, guys. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Wake up, the morning's over. The bed is soft and warm where we lay. I dreamed the whole night through of how I'd say to you all the things my heart wants to say. Sana all may apple. Last night you heard me crying, 'cause I had never loved a man before. And I guess the tears were falling, 'cause the little girl was lost. But now, Lord, I'm not crying anymore. This girl has turned into a woman, and I dream of this moment all my life. And I thank you for your tenderness last night. Ayan, Sir Bien. Nervous, lying in my pillow. I've never seen your body without clothes. I can't believe these feelings. What every lover knows. I make a promise. And if your love's gone tomorrow, don't pretend. But right now I'm alone, and it's all I'm thinking of. And I hope this feeling never ever ends. This girl has turned into a woman, and I've dreamed of this moment all my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. Thank you guys. Sana all may apple. No? Apple tugang, no? Sana all may apple.
May
Okay.
apple din yan si Manay. Ano ka ba? May apple yan si Manay. Kanta pa. I'm shit. Ako na tawa si Manay.
Another song, Tugang. Anong tamsak naman guys kay Any Queen Vlogs guys sa kanyang premiere. Ayan, nakapin ang kanyang premiere. Tamsak na ako dyan, Tugang. Nakatamsak na.
Sana ba yun?
Sir Eugene, kakanta ko sayaw kayo ha.
Sige.
Kasi tugang ha, sasayaw kayo tugang. Okay, kanta tayo. Sasayaw to si Tugang, promise.
Oh.
Love! Hello!
Ay, hindi pala ako pwede sumayaw. Agoy, Sir Eugene, tumayo ka na, tumayo na si Tugang, Agoy. Ayan na, sayawan na this, okay. Just like the night, let your feeling riding over the flies. To make your joy, well, enjoy yourself. Don't give up the pleasure of tonight. Don't be so worried, baby. Everything is gonna be great. Why don't you try to know it? You don't tell things to forget, or will I tell you? Oh, we will see tonight. We got the pleasure and the right way. We will see tonight. Be together. We will see tonight. We got the pleasure and the right way. You and me, better now, we're finally together. Alright? Yan guys, sumayaw na si Tugang at saka si Eugene. Hataw na hataw si Tugang ah. Tonight, tonight, stop to be moving and just listen to me. We'll be paddling not to lose your mind. Touch the moment, enjoy yourself. Try to touch it with the love in your eyes. Don't be so worried, baby. Everything has gotta be great. Why don't you try to know it? You don't tell things to forget, or will I tell you? Oh, oh, oh. We will see tonight, we got the pleasure and the right way. Oh, oh, oh. You and me, better now, we're finally together. Oh, oh. We will see tonight, we got the pleasure and the right way. Oh, oh, oh. You and me, better now, we're finally together. May hataw na hataw si Tugang eh. Ayo.
Pabilis! Yes!
Okay, thank you guys for being here. Back to you, Tugang. See you again sa inyo na po. Love you guys. Okay. Tugang, back to you, Tugang. Thank you, Tugang ha. Napasayaw natin si Tugang at saka si Sir Eugene. Tapos na si Eugene. See you for more. Thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Sarap ng sayawan, sabi niya. Papsi. Uy, di ni kita nakita, Tina and Papsi, hataw si Gigi. Ikaw na, Tugang. Ikaw na maganda ng sayaw dyan. Ako, kaming dalawa ni Tugang Princess ang sasayaw.
Ha? Hingal nga ako eh.
Ay,
Ano ba yan? Mahirap lang ng upo. Patamsak sa incoming guys ni any queens. Baba kayo ng guys ng mga premiere ninyo para mapin. Palitan natin si and patamsak kay Tugang any queen vlogs. Sarap talaga tumadyak. Oo. Kakamiss kaya yung sa barangay magsayawan. Tugang Eugene, ikaw na.
Ako na ba?
Lina Ariola, thank you. Lina, dikitan mo si Auntie Codette Lina, ha? Puntahan mo to sa Saturday. May pa, Gcash dito. Ayan,
Ay,
Auntie Codette, dikitan mo,
kami
Lina.
Tugang. Saturday ba ito, Tugang? Anong oras si Auntie Codette?
Saturday, 9:30 sa Pinas. 9:30. Set ko lang mamaya yung niya, live stream.
Okay.
Kasi ako mag-set. 9:30. Pagawa tayo ng thumbnail kay Kagising na si
Yeah.
Ready ka?
Samahan mo ako sa KTV.
KTV muna tayo. Tama ko na yung girlfriend ko. Para sa inyo lahat. There's only you in my life. The only thing that's bright.
My first love. Your every breath that I take. Your every step I make.
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
When you go,
Your eyes, tell me how much you care. Oh, yes, you will always be my endless love. Mom, share.
Wow! Endless
All
love.
right.
to
Two hearts that beat as one. Our life has just begun. Forever, I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charm. Oh, love, I'll be a fool for you. I'm sure.
you know I don't mind.
Oh, you know I don't mind.
Cause
You mean the world to me. Oh, I know I found in you my endless love. Ayan, thank you so much, Rodeline. Amistoso, thank you. Sa lahat ng nasa baba, guys, thank you so much. And Ma'am Shia, dati bibilag my noy. Pam, 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 pam. Oh, Lord, I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure.
you know I don't mind.
Oh,
I
you
don't
know
mind.
that's my
Getting your
You be the only one. No one can deny this love I have inside. I give it all to you, my love, my endless love. Like, share, and subscribe, guys.
Order food you love with Susan.
Ang ganda ng boses ni, Mrs. mo, Tugang.
Oo.
Wala na, ayaw mong pakita. Dapat, nakakbayan mo siya.
Hindi pwede. May
Hindi
excuse.
din.
Parinig din naman ang boses ni Ma'am Sidonia sa Eugene, please. Sige na, please. Hindi natin makinig naman po. Bigyan lang shoutout Ma'am Sidonia, please. Can you please? Parinig naman po ng boses ninyo, Ma'am. Okay.
Ay nako, nakapantulog na. Naka-90s na.
Hindi mo ba alam, umaakyat na kami nakapantulog. Umaakyat ako nakapantulog. Umaakyat ako kay Tugang, mga hinlog, nakapantulog.
Tugang na pantulog na nga rin ito, Tugang, di ba? O, pantulog na rin ito, diretso na to.
Ay, akala ko pang Jollibee yan.
Pero TV, may galaw shout out. Tamsak dikit sa nakapin. Thank you. Guwapong. Ayan.
Nasa Eugene, pakantayin nyo naman sa Eugene. Hindi mo ba kami pagbibigyan?
Oo, one song pa Tugang. At gawin ko lang tong 3 hours.
Guys, pawat naman po. Sige na, Eugene. Sige na, pakantayin mo naman, no? Sige na. Ako. Kumanta na ba kanina, Tugang?
Kumanta na. Wala ka eh.
Hindi pa.
Isang kanta pa. Sige naman na.
TV vlog, may live ka ba? Akyatan kita. Uy, mamo, hanggang ngayon wala pang hagdan. Ba yan? Di pa nagpanday.
Sir Dan TV Vlog, may galab shoutout tugang. Miss Rodeline, at saka sa lahat dyan.
Thank you guys sa mga nag-stay. Wala na rin si... May ano?
May kanunit. Ay,
Diyan ka lang sa tabi, ha?
Las horas time.
Ganda, di ba? Diyan ka lang. Ito ang papakis.
As it can be.
Hindi, dapat ikaw ang
Baka makita ka ni Dan TV Vlog.
Believe and trust
ganda ng boses. Sana all.
that somebody thinks unexpectedly.
Alright.
Mga boses.
Just a little chance.
Ayusin.
Small, to say the least. Bold, a little scared. Neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast. Ever just the same. Ever a surprise. Ever as before. Ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Oh, oh, oh. Huwag kang papakita, ha? Diyan ka lang.
Tugang.
Baka makita ka niya. Ever just the same. Ever a surprise. Ever as before. And ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Oh, oh, oh.
Se las horas time. Into the song and song.
Bittersweet strange, finding you can change, learning new world. Certain as the sun,
Certain as the sun.
rising in the air,
Se las horas time.
song as others rhyme, beauty and the beast.
Se las horas time.
Song as others rhyme, beauty and the beast. Thank you.
Hindi mo pinapakita yan, oy.
Ang ganda ng boses tapos.
Huwag
Ayaw
na.
ng bata. Ayan. Ay
Ano
guys,
naman
patapos
tugang?
na kami kay Monfero sa kanyang ano yan.
Ano naman
Premiere.
Okay, on the way po sa inyo, Sir Montero.
Thank you guys. Rodeline, ciao. Dan TV. Mamshi, thank you. Jason. Ay, Jason. Thank you so much, Jason.
Monfero TV, nandito na po and ticket na po.
Jasmine Channel, thank you. Ito. Para sa iyo. You.
Mayroon pa pala yung 30 minutes.
Hati Chai.
Miss Tichay, may love shoutout. Miss
Art
T.
lang ako tugang. Si ano.
Ayan, full pack na po sa inyo, Monfero TV.
Ay. Ito. Wait lang. Itong bago kasi nag-practice tayo. Wala naman masyadong ano dyan. I want hold. Ito. Practicein natin.
Hagdan daw si Gamay. Hagdan daw.
Ano po? Go with Stewart. Mega love shoutout. Hagdon.
Monfero. Akala ko ba ano?
Uy, excuse me. Ah! Bastas. Edward Castrillo. Mega love shoutout.
Ayan, si Edward Castillo. Mega love shout sa iyo dyan, Idol. Thank you so much for coming, Idol. And sa pataktak mo dyan.
Thank you sa patamsak. Ayan, bigyan kita muna ng jacket, ha?
Supported din yan, Manay. Type G.
Ayan. May hagdan dyan, anak. Boholanan.
Atahan ang lason mong halik.
Wala naman. Ayan. Thank you guys ha sa mga nandyan. Ayan, malapit na tayong ano. Para sa inyo. Practice. Si Eugene na lang ang pakita natin. Huwag na ako. If I had any other chance tonight, I try to tell you the things we have around. Time can erase the love we share, but it gives me time to realize just how much you care. Now you're gonna really not the same. Edward Castillo. I guess I held myself to blame. Time can erase the thing we said, but it gives me time to realize that you're the one who said, you know I won't hold you back now. The love we had just can't be found. You know I can hold you back now. Dan like bakas na kapin. Thank you, Edward. Now I'm all alone. Just give me time to think about the years that you were mine. Time can erase the love we share, but it gives me time to realize just how much you cared. No, I won't hold you back now. Love we had just can't be found. No, I can hold you back now. Monfero TV, thank you guys sa nag-stay. Hello! Si Jay. Christian! Uy, thank you Edward and Portsville Mama. No, I won't hold you back now. Sis Filipina J and Italy. Thank you. Love we had just can't be found.
No, I can hold you back now. You can hands. Thank you. Love we are just having fun. Ayan. Another song. Wait lang, hanap ako ng ano. Ito na lang. Paulit-ulit na kanta. Ulit-ulit na kanta.
Bring fun to your life.
I'm the darling that needs being good. Want you always to remember. I want you to be a part of my dreams. Was so lonely here without you. Was so cold, just like a statue. Oh, being with you has made me complete. I can feel your loving touch inside me. I can hear you whispering you want to stay close to me. Every day and every night, I never thought the love could feel so right. Every day and through the night, let me be the one you hold you tight. I can't let go. I can't let go. Can't let go. You're part of me, don't you know? Would you give me just a lifetime? I stand beside you through the years that come and go. Nothing at all is standing in our way.
Cecelen, thank you, Cecelen.
I can feel your answer deep inside me. I can hear you whispering you want to stay close to me. Every day and every night, I never thought your love could feel so right. Every day and through the night, let me be the one you hold you tight. I can't let go. Can't let go. Can't let go. You want me, don't you know? Can't let go. Can't let go. Can't let go. You want me, don't you know? Interlude na lang yan, guys.
Thank you, Ma'am Shi.
Opo.
Len, thank you. Sure, okay lang tugang Connie. 30 minutes na lang kami. Ay, 27 minutes. Thank you sa pag-akyat, Tugang. Connie. Ay, Tugang.
Mag 3 hours ka lang, go pa?
Oo.
Tugang,
Mamshi?
okay.
Next.
Si Tugang, Miguel of shoutout Tugang, Tugang Connie. Anta mo, Tugang Connie.
Hello, Tugang Princess Magnifico and Kuya Eugene.
Mayong buntag diha sa inyo. Anong oras na dyan sa inyo, Tugang?
2:30 to 2:30. Ma'am Shites, Helen
Ang
Valencia,
Rodelin, skip mo na yan,
Rodelian,
harang. Hayaan mo na harang, Tugang.
Monfero
Thank you,
TV.
Tugang, Isis, Tugang, sis, Helen Valencia, thank you sa mga mo dyan, sa mga angels mo, thank you sa support. Manuel Galiana, harang po, thank you sa parang. Oy, pag-escape nyo ng harang pag mahaba. Janice, thank you, 2 minutes pa night boat.
Janice Deleso.
Okay. Guys, sige, para tayo. 26 minutes na lang ako. Remaining 26 minutes. Tugang Eugene, hindi na kanta. Ikaw, Tugang Connie, kanta ka.
Sige ako. Okay. Miguel of shoutout sa 12 million viewers in the house of Guapa Bicolana. Here it is.
Loko to si Nightbot.
Minsan natikma
Agoy.
ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw na sa hanggang wakas. Ang aking pag-ibig, ngunit biglang nagbago ka. Hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit? Nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap-hanap pa rin ang lason mong halik. Apoy na dati-rati, kay init ng liyang, agad akong nadadarang kapag ikaw ay umaga. Ngayon'y nag-iisa, laging nilalamig, nawala na ang lahat-lahat. Ito'y naging panaginip, ngunit biglang nagbago ka. Chichay! Hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit? Nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap-hanap pa rin ang lason mong halik. Princess Magnifico, Helen Liaban, Chichay, thank you. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit? Nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. ang lason mong halik.
Miguel love shout out to Ate May Kapapas, Rosemary Official, Auntie Kudit, and Kapansit Hunter. Guwapa, ilang songs?
Another songs
O ako na. Ha?
One song. May isa pa.
Isa lang?
Another song, 2 songs.
Sige. Para sa
Good
lahat.
night, Ini Queen Vlogs. Thank you, Tugang. Sis May Kapapas, mega love shoutout. Helen Yaban, Helping Hands, mega love shoutout. Thank you sa pagpasok, guys.
Huge shout out to 14 million amazing people in the house of Guapa Bicolana.
Di ba't ang pangako mo sa'kin, ako lamang ang iibigin? Ngunit bakit ngayon hindi mo man lang mapansin? Tuwi na sa aking alaala ay palagi kitang kasama. Ngunit bakit ngayon ay may mahal ka ng iba? Nasana ang pangako mo noong sinusuyo ako. Anong tamis, anong lambing binibigkas ng labi mo? Ngunit kahit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili kang mahal sa puso ko.
Thank you po, Ate May Kapapas.
Halos di ko na makaya, ang isipin ko'y wala ka. Ang pagmamahal mo nga ba'y naglaho na? Patuloy ako'y aasa kahit nasa alaala. Ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y hindi mag-iiba. Nasana ang pangako mo noong sinusuyo ako. Anong tamis, anong lambing binibigkas ng labi mo? Ngunit kahit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili kang mahal sa puso ko. Pagkat ikaw ang tunay na mahal, kaya't hindi magbabago kailan pa man. Kahit na nga ako ay nasaktan, nasana ang pangako mo noong sinusuyo ako. Anong tamis, anong lambing binibigkas ng labi mo? Ngunit kahit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili kang mahal sa puso ko. Ngunit kahit nagbago pa sa akin ang damdamin mo, mananatili kang mahal sa puso ko. Ikaw ang mahal sa puso ko.
Alright. Thank you. Back to you, host. Guapa.
Tugang Eugene. Mag-last song ka? Tugang. Mickey
Relax
Ams,
lang
mega
ako.
love shoutout.
Ayan, para sa inyo lahat. Ma'am Sheen. Ayan, Connie. Shout out, Connie. You, everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and couldn't ask for more. Ikaw naman.
Don't you dare to lay on the line.
All right.
Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when the spoken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, hindi ko din.
Scared, so scared of life. It turns you long way down.
All right.
In the end, just trust in me. I'm sure I come around.
And I know in your heart it's hard for someone inside.
You don't feel lonely now.
If I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can end, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
Be a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life. When I know I gotta take it slow. Shout out sa lahat and thank you so much guys for coming. Rosemary Official, may love joke. For instance, Magnifico, I am a present to that. I know it's gotta be with you. You're the one to pull me through. I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. Thank you. Happy host. Bicolana Española.
Thank you, Tugang, Eugene. Isa pa? Okay.
Akit ka na.
Grabe naman to. Oy, hindi pinakita si misis niya dyan. Tugang sila na naman pa. Ay! Grabe itong asawa mo. Oh, pinapaakit ka na. Ayoko pakita dyan. Isa pa.
Isa pa?
Oo. Tugang Francis, may one more song ka. Tapos din ako maglalast song. Ayan.
Okay.
Thank you guys sa support
Eugene,
niyo,
request
guys.
naman Sir Eugene. Alam niyo, anong favorite song ni Sir Eugene? Katayin niyo na po. Last song ninyo.
Ay, wala ka rin favorite song.
Alam ko na, Endless Love.
Ano yung favorite song niyo na gusto niyo kantahin? Kantahin niyo na.
Uy, Tugang Eugene, palablab ni Miggy Ams. Isa na lang, 100. Kahapon pa to ng isda.
Sige, Tugang, nagdagan natin Tugang.
Dapat naman guys, kay Miggy Ams. Kasama ni ni Tugang, or Kuya Ams Kramer. Ayan. 99. Hindi pa nag-100 kahapon. Ay. Lablabin mo nga, Tugang. Bigyan mo ng
Okay, sige, nagdagan natin. Mama, kita mo rin Tugang ha.
Ni Nightbot, binaba.
Ayan, ayan, Bicolana na yan.
I thank you guys sa support ni si Helen Valencia vlog. Thank you, sis.
Tugang, ano pangalan nun? Ibaba mo yung bahay, ibaba ng bahay, Tugang, sino yun?
Miggy Arms.
Saan dito?
Nasa Nightbot, Tugang.
Okay,
Nightbot!
Nightbot.
Naman si Nightbot. Uy, noon sa naman po si Nightbot. Miggy Arms!
Andyan, nasa taas na kasi, nakataas na. Ayan. Road to 100, kahapon pa yan. Hindi pa na ano.
Si Sir Eugene, marami saging yan. May 20 yata yan eh.
Hindi, 10 lang.
Excuse me.
Mangisda kami.
Nasaan na ba dito si Migs?
Oy, si Jason, palablab naman kay Miggy. Baka naman yung dyan ni Sis Helen.
Malayo na siya. Hindi ko na mahabang.
Taas na? Ayan, nasa baba na naman, Tugang, oh.
Okay, sige. Okay.
Lablab.
Last muna ako manay.
Sige. Oo na, tapos last tong Tugang, Princess. And
Okay,
mag-last.
sige. Okay.
Kasi tama na yan.
Wala ako sige.
Makapagpahinga.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Salamat sa inyong mga support dyan, ha? And thank you. This is my last song. Good evening and good day sa inyo lahat. Para sa inyo. When I feel like the world's gone mad, I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Rosemary Official, thank you. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone.
Count on you, Tugang.
The staring these walls before. They make me blue. All along in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why, when. No looking back. Count on you every time. Kadungaw blanca to ease my worried mind. You probably important to me, a miracle by princess. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do. Janice, make it up, shout out. Long as it's close to you. Oh, oh. Ayan, May. Make it up, shout out, May. Janice, thank you so much. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga dumalo, guys. Ayan, pumasyal sa live stream mga Bicolana Española. Maraming salamat na yung mga support dyan. Thank you, thank you. Well, thank you so much, Ben. Chesa, thank you. to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why you were, Connie. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You forever be important to me, but near I could find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, I stand strong by. I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Woohoo! Thank you.
Bakit natawa ka dyan?
Wala.
Ayos ka.
Ay, nako.
Ayan, hello,
Ay,
shout
shout
out. Hello, Romel. Mega love shout out.
Romel! Idol!
Dali.
Pwede ba kumanta?
Kanta ka?
Ay, nako. Tapos na.
Tapos na ba?
Oh, late ka na. Saan ka ba galing?
Late na ba ako?
Oh. Sige, kanta ka na.
Grabe, late talaga.
Oh, late ka na. Ayan. Sige nga, kanta ka.
Sige, kakanta ako. Wait lang, kakanta ako.
O, sige. Saan ka ba, Romel?
Nandito ako sa sa Imus, Cavite.
Ay, taga Cavite si Tugang Eugene.
Ay, idol, taga-saan ba sa Cavite? Saan dito sa Imus? Ha?
Sa sa Bilarde, subdivision.
Ay, andito lang ako sa Near Road.
Pero ako Bicolano.
Oo, maurag man ini.
Maurago man ini, maurago.
Oh. Bisaya lang yung isa dyan. Yung isa Bisaya, ayan si Connie B.
Ano ka dyan? Kakanta ka.
Tayong apat, Bicol. Ayan, taga mas Batenia.
Wait lang.
Sige.
Yung naka-spaghetti. Yung naka-spaghetti, taga Masbate. Chichay. Imus din yan.
Sino taga-Imus dyan?
Ako nga.
Eto na, kakantayin na. Kakanta ako para Hey, mega love shout out. Naman sa baba. Alam. Kapag nanggigigil isayta mo na kay puti. Bila alam kung ano ang aming gagawin. Kapag nakikita mo kami kay ganda, sumasaya ang tanawin. Nakakabaliw ka, nakakaaliw, nakakapilig, nakakapigil, nakakagutom ang isang tulad mo. Nakakawaw ka, nakakadala, nakakasabik, nakakakaba, nakakapagod ang isip ka. Di mo alam kung
Kapag lumalapit, biglang sumusungit. Bakit ka nagagalit? Di na in love. Iniwan ka ng buhay. Kami humahanga at nagsasawa na itisabi sa'yo. Nakakabaliw ka, nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, nakakakaba, nakakagutom ng isang tulad mo. Nakakadala, nakakasabik, nakakakaba, nakakapagod ang isipin ka. Di mo alam, miss kami nababalik sa miss. Kami nagigigil sa iyong mga laki, sa ita mo na kay puti. Di na alam kung ano ang aming gagawin. Nakikitang kamukay kita, sumasaya ka na uwi. Nakakabaliw ka, nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, nakakagigil, nakakagutom bang isang tulad mo. Oo, nakakauhaw ka, nakakadala, nakakasabik, nakakakaba, nakakapagod ang isang tulad mo. Nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, nakakagigil, nakakagutom ang isang tulad mo. Oo, nakakauhaw ka, nakakadala, nakakasabik, nakakakaba, nakakagutom ang isipin ka. Nakakabaliw ka, nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, nakakagigil, nakakagutom ang isang tulad mo. Nakakasabik, nakakakaba, nakakapagod ang isipin ka. Okay, may gamilang shoutout mula sa baba.
Thank you, Romel. Ay, salamat ha sa pagkanta. Ayan. Tugang Princess
May isa pa pwede. May isa pa ba pwede?
3 hours lang ako. Maribit Boy Silusis. Tugang mega love shoutout.
Tugang, good night.
Okay na.
Edo, may isa pa pwede.
Bana ko Tugang, love you guys. Bye-bye po, good night po.
Sige. Hindi, Romel, mag-end na ako.
Bye naman ay. Baba na rin ako ha. Sa lahat ng nasa baba guys ha, thank you.
Next time na lang, Romel. Thank you. Ha? Okay na yan. Okay na. Next time na lang. 3 hours lang ako, ha? Ayan. Thank you.
Okay, sige.
Next time. Ayan.
Okay, bye-bye, Romel.
Tugang Connie, thank you sa pag-akyat. Thank you mga tugang dyan sa baba. Thank you, bye-bye.
Ingat. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, everyone, and thank you.
Bye-bye, yung mga sa baba dyan.
Bye, ingat kayong lahat.
Yes.
Sige,
Stay safe and
bye-bye.
God bless. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.